Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You open YouTube Music and sign in with your Google account. This links your history and playlists. Next, give the app permission to access storage if you plan to download songs. This speeds playback and offline use. Once done, check settings and pick streaming and download quality. Choose lower on cellular to save data, higher on Wi-Fi for best sound. Finally, confirm your subscription tier. Premium removes ads and enables background play and downloads, so make sure it matches what you need. You find music by tapping search and entering a song, artist, album, or a lyric line. Then use filters to narrow results by release year or genre. When you locate a track, tap Add to Library or choose Create Playlist to organize songs, name and reorder them as needed. Once a playlist exists, enable download to keep it offline. Alternatively, start a radio or a mix from any track to discover similar songs. Make sure downloaded content uses the storage location you prefer and you control playback with the main player. Play, pause, skip, and long press to add to up next. This cue shapes what plays next. To listen on speakers or TV, tap the cast icon and pick a device. Make sure both devices share the same network. If playback stutters or downloads fail, try clearing the app cache, updating YouTube Music, and toggling Wi-Fi. If that does not help, restart your device. One key troubleshooting tip: sign out and sign back in to refresh your account sync and library.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.